Core topic number 4, factorization. For factorization, we have several skills. The first one, taking out common factors. Second one, using identities. The first identity is about the perfect square. And the second one is difference of two squares. The third skills, cross method. Okay, let's talk about the basic level, taking out common factor. So for the first example, as you can see, 2x plus 2y. The common factor is 2. So you take out 2. What's left for the first term, which is x? And the second term, positive y is left. So 2x plus 2y equal to 2 times bracket x plus y. And for the second questions, negative 2x minus 6y. The common factor should be negative 2. So for the first term, x is left. And for the second term, negative 6y divided by negative 2, you get positive 3y. Okay? And question 3, 3x minus 12. 3 and 12, the common factor, which is the highest common factor, which is 3. So x is left. And negative 12 divided by 3, you get negative 4. And for question 4, kx plus 12k, k is the common factor. You can take it out. For the first term, kx over k, which x is left. And 12 positive 12k divided by k, which is positive 12, is left. So the answer should be k times bracket x plus 12. That's it for the basic level. Thank you.